In front of me is a OPPO A53s, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, before we get started, I will mention that on this device, factory reset through recovery mode will not remove screen lock. So normally if you have one, let me see if I do have it set. Yeah, I do. So normally what you would be able to do is just power off the device and factory reset it. But in this case, you will be still required to put in the pattern, PIN, password in the recovery mode to actually proceed further, which you will see me do throughout the process. So just be mindful of that. So anyway, to get started with the factory reset through recovery mode, hold the power key when the screen is lit up, and then slide down to power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. And when you see the OPPO logo, there we go, you want to let go of the power key, but you want to also keep holding volume down. There we go. Once you see the language selection, you can let go of the volume down as well. And from here, tap on your desired language from the three that we have right here. I'm going to stick with English. And then you want to select wipe data. And as you can see, it tells me to verify my screen lock, so I need to confirm it. And from here I can select to format data or wipe data. Now when it comes down to this, we want to select format data. As you can see, wipe data is completely useless. It retains contacts, messages and photos, so it doesn't actually wipe data, because last time I checked, contacts, messages and photos are actual data. So not sure what it's wiping. Anyway, so we want to select format data and then select format once again. This will begin the process, which at this stage it only takes a couple seconds. As you can see, it's right about done. There we go. Come on. Any moment now. There we go. So as you can see, once it's finished, it gives you this pop-up right here, wipe successful. So click on OK, and this will initiate a reboot and continue the process in the background. Now this will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we will then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.